Good evening, everybody. This next update is not a full garden update this time. It's a special update on my vining yellow Crookneck project. I have two squash plants from the strain I got from Esoteric Agriculture from YouTube that I'm going to cross on tomorrow morning on Sunday. Here's the female parent, which is semi-vining, compact, almost bush, but still has tendrils, and the male parents, which are fully vining. I have had to carefully go in and make sure I taped the right parents. 1, 2, 3, and if I remember correctly, one more. Okay? Yeah. Anyway, the idea is to, in case this flower aborts prematurely, I still have another source of seed to continue to select for my vining traits. And I'll show you the pollination in the morning, I guess. This won't be much different than pollinating the Mandan squash like in the last video, but just for those interested in the vining yellow Crookneck project. See you in the morning. It is morning of Sunday the 23rd at 6:40. I am now going to pollinate the female flower because I have already showed you the process of pollinating squash on my video a few weeks back. I am not going to show the process of actually hand pollinating. I'm sure you've already seen the video. So let me go ahead and just pollinate the squash. Okay, I've taped up the female squash after pollinating it. Now, in a few weeks, the ovary down here should begin expanding and should be ready to harvest for seed at the end of September. Now, if you like these videos, I guess you can subscribe, and I guess thank you for watching.